Madam Speaker, as the head of this institution, can you get us to know when the Honorable Nalukoola will be sworn in? The Honorable Mawanda was sworn in 24 hours. He was here.
Honorable members.
Then second, if you allow, Madam Speaker, and you answer.
Let me answer that one first. Let me answer that first. When a member wins, I wait for a gazette. When I get a gazette, that's when I swear in the member. So I'm waiting for a gazette. I need to hear from Electro Commission before I do a gazette. And
Honourable Speaker, we are actually dismayed that up to now the Electoral Commission has not gazetted the person that won the Kawempe North by-election. We did follow up with the Electoral Commission, and they told us that they're still sorting out internal issues. We don't know what that means, because in the past, as we are saying, it's been done in record time, because the Electoral Commission is now funked as official. After they declare a candidate, legally they are funked as official. They no longer have any responsibility. They can't say they're still sorting this out, they're still investigating this, or whatever the case might be. Maybe government, because government supervises the Electoral Commission,
we'll follow up with
and they tell us what has caused the delay. In the past, it would be done very quickly.